What is the use of trim command in AutoCAD? The trim command used a cut off unwanted part of objects, for example, lines, arc, and circle. First, type trim, keyboard or TR, shortcut key, and press enter. From keyboard, select the cutting line and press enter. Click on the part of the object, which object you want to remove. I want to remove this object. You see, this object is removed now. So this is the use of trim command. Again, one more example. I will draw here one horizontal line and one is vertical line. You see this line is crossing. You see this is the extra part of lines. I want to remove the extra part of line. I will press from keyboard shortcut key TR on the keyboard to active now command. Then which object I want to remove, I will select this line. That part is disappear. So this is the use of trim command. Thank you.